Good morning, Mark here for Mark's Garage. Today we're back for an update on the 2004 Honda RC51 Nicky Hayden Edition, affectionately known as Budget Nicky. Check out my other videos if you want a full breakdown of the build list on this bike. And today we're here to highlight a new addition to the bike, new modifications. I was able to source a set of TSR rear sets from Japan for this bike in black. Very few sets of these were made in black. Most of the ones you'll see are in all brushed aluminum. The great rear sets. So TSR was actually, I believe, if not closely involved within HRC circles as one of the official suppliers for some of the Honda factory race bikes at the time. Great equipment, purposely built, elegantly done, nothing too flashy, just great all around parts. I really like these rear sets. They're right up there with some of the best rear sets available for the RC51. Lots of guys will flock to the Satos, but I'm just not a big fan of Sato. I've always thought Sato was overrated, including their exhaust. For all you Sato fanboys, I know there's collectors out there that just love the Sato stuff. I'm not one of them. I think it's overrated. Whenever Sato stuff was out, especially for the RC51s, I was really into Kawasaki's ZX-10Rs, and we had a totally different opinion on the Sato stuff at the time for the ZX-10Rs than the Honda guys tend to love the stuff. But it's great. I'm just not a huge fan of it. I like stuff that's a little bit different, but it is what it is. So these rear sets, like I said, they come in black. They are adjustable. So when you look at them like this, you may think they're not adjustable, but they are. That foot peg has four or five different positions in the back that you could move the whole peg and pedal assembly. So carbon fiber heel guards, fit and finish on these things is just excellent. Really great thought out parts. Everything went together as expected, even with Japanese instructions. Was able to get these installed with no problem at all. Very sturdy. Like I said, solid ball bearing levers. Great stuff. Or needle bearing probably. Over to the drive side, one thing I like too that Simon included on there is your adjustment rod. There has both a blue and a red anodized nut, a la HRC type stuff that he included on there. Check out that attachment point at the shifter shaft, quite a bit beefier and more sturdy. Probably get away without running the Race Torx steering shaft support on there if you wanted to, but great stuff there. Nice Heim joints, great stuff. Carbon fiber heel guard on this side as well. So I do have some more parts on the order for this bike, believe it or not, but stuff is back ordered right now. But I've got some legit more race parts on order for this bike. And what started out as a budget bike is admittedly not that budget anymore. Those rear sets cost me, even with a little bit of a discount going directly through the seller, still were around $500, I believe. Great stuff. Nowhere near Ducati prices, but still pretty high. So I love this bike. I guess I will start it up because everybody asked to start it up. Although you know what a RC51 sounds like at this point now. But I'll give it a few revs to end the video here. Well, there you go. Quick update there on the Budget Nicky 2004 Honda RC51. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, click, and subscribe.